Okay, so this was 6.2, number 39. Okay, and what did they want me to do?
Find formulas for all of the graphs shown.
Okay, so here they gave me some formula or some picture for f of x, right? And the important things they labeled was there's this point A at the origin, right, at 0, 0. And then there's this other point B that's at 2, 3. Okay, then they want me to come up with formulas for these kind of shifted ones, right? So let's see if we can do that. So what happened with A first?
Okay, flipped. Let's see.
Okay, so in the list of stuff that happened, there's definitely a, wait, is that a vertical or a horizontal flip? Yeah, so there was a vertical flip, right? What else?
It was stretched down by 2.
Stretch by what?
2.
2. How'd you figure out 2?
Because 6 is 2 times 3, and it's in the negative.
Cool. Okay, so I got a vertical flip and a stretch by 2. Anything else change? Doesn't seem to have. So what did you probably do?
2 negative f of x. Negative 2.
Okay, this is negative 2 f of x, I think. That seems reasonable, right? We need to modify the outputs by flipping them over, so we need that negative sign, and a stretch, so we need to multiply by 2. Cool. All right, how about in part B? They've got this kind of dashed line at 2 high, and then my vertex went to 2, 5. So what do you guys think happened here?
The shift is up by 2.
Okay, so you think this went up 2. Anything else happened to it? This dashed line. I think it's to show me where the horizontal asymptote is, which is what's going on here. Right, like this thing tails off on the x-axis, and so this one seems to tail off at 2, which clues me into the the new place for the old x-axis, right, is now at 2. So I think this thing went up 2. Did anything else happen there? Not that I can see. So what's your formula for this one?
F of x plus 2.
So f of x, you mean plus 2 in here?
No.
Why not?
Function f of x plus 2.
Yeah, you want to modify the outputs, right? Up is a vertical thing, so that's changing the y's. So we need a plus outside of the...
So you're adding to the output of f of x.
Yeah, exactly. So this is adding 2 to the output of f. If I did the other thing, I'd be adding 2 to the input of f, which is going to shift things
To left. Left.
to the left.
There's no justice.
Because there's no justice in the world, and those ones are backwards. All right, how about this other guy? What happened here?
It shifted to the right.
By 2.
And
Okay, this went right 2 units. Down with that, right? My kind of origin spot seems to have gotten moved to 2.
So f of x minus 2
It also got
and for the
stretched
inputs.
9, 3.
Yeah, it also got stretched a little bit,
Oh, I see.
right? I had my vertex was at 2, 3, and now it's apparently at 4, 9, right? So it got stretched vertically by a factor of
3.
So 3 f of
F of
3
x
minus 2.
f of x
Minus.
minus 2.
Cheers. I
Good.
said it right the first time.
Yeah, you did. You guys cool with this? Any questions? Where were you stuck?
I think-
So like I got the formulas, but I just wanted to understand how,
Okay.
like because I missed like one thing, so like the whole stretching and shrinking and vertical.
Yeah, so I'd probably write down what I did, like a list of how I got from this picture to that picture, and then check and make sure the formula has that stuff.
I just thought about this all along.
Oh.